Hello my people, hope you're doing okay. Welcome to Hanimi's World. Welcome to the channel that inspires you to do agribusiness. If you're interested in such vlogs, please consider to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are aware when I upload more videos. It is very early in the morning and this is what we do. We are on our way to go and get milk. So this is where we pass near our chicken coop and our sheep. So guys, we are going to talk about on how you can manage the goats during the rainy season. Point number one, this is where the housing aspect comes in. During rainy seasons, it is horrible for the goats. The goats don't love the rains. The goats don't love it when it is wet and cold. So you have to be with good structures. Structures with roofs, with good housing, so that they can harbor these goats during the rainy seasons, so that they can give them good shelter. As you can see behind, that is the shelter where they sleep and where they hide during the rains. Even if the rains find them in the field grazing, they'll always come back home and go and seek shelter in that house. So that is our exercising area in the background. That is where they exercise. The sun is trying to come out. They will exercise from there and they spend most of their time there, chewing the cud and exercising and having fun. So structure, the housing structure is so important during this rainy season. So they are exercising, as you can see. So another important factor, you have to be so clean, guys. During the rainy season, you have to clean these structures. Every season you have to be clean, but you have to be extra clean during the rainy season. Why? Because it becomes so nasty. It becomes so nasty and it harbors a lot of pests and diseases. So on that, I bring the point of also spraying for the ticks. I also bring the point of always deworming them. You deworm them, guys. Deworm them of the diseases, and also you have to keep medicines of, for example, of foot and mouth and of disease. Those are the most common diseases during the rainy season. Here we are affected a lot with off disease, so we know how to manage it. You stock that medicine of off disease because the grounds are now very cold. The grounds are now wet, so these goats feed on grasses that are wet, so you have to expect off disease. I made a video of the medicines that you need during the rainy season. You can always go back and watch that video. But the most important thing is to keep that medicine of disease. For example, depending on your area, others are affected. Those ones in the swamps, those ones that have farms in the swampy area, you have to expect foot and mouth disease. Here we expect of disease. We expect a lot of misuja, so you have to stock a lot of antibiotics with oxte, with a big percentage of oxte, like 200 plus grams of oxte. So that is a must during the rainy season. So I think that is what I have to emphasize about the rainy season. Other points I've been talking about them in my other videos, guys. So I think you've gotten something in this video, guys. Please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. As I told you, we are on our way to go and get milk. You see, we have to go and get milk for breakfast. It is early in the morning. So guys, thank you for watching Remember to subscribe to Hanimi's World, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to Hanimi's World. And also comment down below. Yes, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Tusaba kumata mugende tufune amata. Obadde amazokama. Amazokama. Teyonka nnyo. Ebijjaga tetugireeza. Nsigo mpola biwa amataka. Kale musiibe bulungi. Ntola nsigo otwala speed nnene simanyi lwaki. Nnyo okugwa ekigo n'amataaga. So the other milk is for the puppies, this one is for the home consumption.